fitting craft square door mirrors to an E92 M3. So these are mirrors off an R34 GTR. I picked the best kind of mirror with the best base plate that I thought would work with the E92, and I was just lucky basically that it kind of fit. So all I needed to do, bit of modification, and make some base plates up. So it's M5 bolts, black bolts in the door mirror base plate. I just sprayed them up gloss black, the base plates. Thought it was quite tidy. You've got to take the door cards off. You've got to, obviously, to get this off is easy, to get this panel off here. And I'm also fitting these things, the hard motorsport door pulls on there. So it's kind of like double bonus prizes. Here you can see the fit on the inside. So it's a like 30mm washer on the inside there, just standard kind of penny washers there, but you need to drill 2 holes. So you need to drill this hole here to correspond to the mirror hole, and you need to drill this hole here, and that's it. On the mirrors themselves, I've not done this side yet. So these are just a little bit of carbon, 5mm thick, just cut, dead easy to sort of make up a template for that, really, a bit of cardboard first. You've got to sand down that area there so it doesn't foul on the window of the E92. And you've got to sort of just trim a little bit here, just sand a little bit around the edge, just so it fits a bit more flush to the base, you know what I mean. And then that's just, I replaced the standard bolts, a nut that goes in there that holds the mirror mechanism in place for adjustment, etc. And I think it's 20mm M6 hex bolt in there, just so it kind of it doesn't stick out again, so it doesn't foul on the window. The only other thing you need to do is you just need to, there's like a thin rubber edge here, just need to take a cutting knife and just sort of trim that off. So next job is to fit up the base plate, which basically just kind of slots in like that, dead easy. Just need to sort of put sealant on the back of there, just to sort of help it stick in place and to stop water getting in, and then bolt it up. You do need, however, before I forget, fucking bits of car everywhere. These are the bolts here. So this is the topmost fitting position, so it just needs a small washer and a nut, and you bolt. Can't remember the length of these. What is the length of these? That's totally useless. Nice. This is the closest to the window, so you need a 15mm nylon spacer. I chose nylon because when you tighten it, obviously it's got a slight bit of flex to it. You need those at the bottom, because otherwise, because it's rubber, when you tighten it, it pulls the rubber in and it pulls the carbon in, which pops the carbon out from where it sits in the kind of channel at the top of the original rubber. And then this is for the front one, the one closest to like the small edge, and that's just same again, 15mm nylon washer, and just a standard sort of penny washer there, just to give it the lift that it needs from the surface. And that is it. So I'm going to crack on and fit it.